42 AI check.
So, why do businesses pay Google and other lead companies for PPC ads and buy leads?
Well, great question. When businesses pay for pay-per-click and they buy leads from third-party companies, they're essentially paying someone else to do their pull-ups for them. Bear.
So can you explain, what does that mean?
Let me tell you a little bit more about what I mean. Follow me over here to the pull-up bar. These companies that sell you leads, they're using the money that you give them to build blogs and build all the funnels and everything else that you need to grow your brand. But instead of growing your brand, they're growing their brand. And then they're selling you the leads.
Ouch! That got hurt.
Exactly. It's like paying someone else to do your business pull-ups for you. You're not getting any stronger. Instead, you remain sidelined, benched in a position of weakness because you're not actually building any lead generation muscle of your own.
I know what being sidelined feels like. So how do restoration businesses get off the sidelines and into the pro game?
How do restoration businesses get off the sidelines and into the pro game? That is a great question, Bear. You see, with AI, we can build these tools and systems for you. Our AI focuses on building your brand, so you own your lead generation machine, not someone else.
So with AI, we don't have to rely on buying leads anymore.
That's right, Bear. AI allows us to build the right systems to handle it ourselves. It's like having the perfect partner in your marketing strategy. Stay tuned here at Blue 42 AI to learn more about how AI can help you score big in your business. Remember, it's not just about technology. It's about making smarter plays for a better future. Serving and restoring. Let's try it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Serving and restoring.
For the best news on AI, for the restoration